So, good morning, students. Sixth class. I welcome you in on this channel ASM School. And students, we are doing 7.4. Now we see the fifth question of 7.4. In this question, students, we have to tell the sign will come here, that is greater than, less than, or equal to. But how can we put the sign? For that, we have to check the denominator is same or not. If denominator are same, then we can directly put the sign. Like, look at the f part. Here we have denominator same. If we have denominator same, then we have to check the numerator. If numerator is big, then this fraction will big, because denominator are same. But when denominator are not same, in that case we have to do cross multiply. So here 1 will multiply by 5 and this 1 will multiply by 2. We get 5 and 2. 5 is greater than 2, that's why we will write this sign. 3 by 4 and 2 by 8. In 3 by 4 and 2 by 8, we can do cross multiply. 3 multiply 8 and 2 multiply 4. We get 24 and 8. Because 24 is big, so we can put this sign. 3 by 4 is greater, because 24 is coming downside of the 3 by 4. That's why 3 by 4 is greater. Here in this 5 by 7 and 15 by 21, we can again do cross multiply by CM. 21 into 5, 7 into 15. We get 105 here and also 105 here. Both are equal, so we can put equal sign. So this was your question number 5. Let's see question number 6. Students, let's take question number 6. In question number 6, we have lots of fraction. Actually, we have fractions till L, but we cannot take all the parts, so I am taking some parts A, B, C, D and F. First you can see 2 by 12. These both can be cut by table of 2. We can get 1 by 6. Second is 3 by 15. We can cut it by the table of 3. We get 1 by 5. And 8 by 50 both can be divisible by 2. First we can cut it 4 by 25. Now they are not divisible. That is simplest form. D part is divisible by, firstly you can directly cut by 4, table of 4, 16, 4 4 is 16 and 25 4 is 100. And here you can cut directly 0 by 0, you get 1 by 6. It means you are dividing by 10. 15 by 75, this can be cut by 5 and 3, and you can cut directly by 15. You get 1 by 5. So these are some fractions. Now there are other parts also. Let's take them one by one. Now see students, 12 by 60. 12 by 60 can be divisible by table of 12. We get 1 by 5. 12 by 75. Wait a minute. 12 by 75. Yes, this is I part. 12 by 75. Both are divisible by 3. We get 4 by 25. 3 by 18. Both are divisible by the table of 3. We get 1 by 6. 16 by 96. They are also divisible by 2 and 4, but we can cut directly by 16. 16 1 is 16 and 16 6 is 96. 12 by 72. These two are divisible by 12 because both are coming in the table of 12. So we get 1 by 6. 4 by 25 actually not divisible because 4 is a composite number and 25 is also a composite number, but both are not coming in the same table. So we can directly write 4 by 25. Now we have solved all the parts. Now we have to check these. Some parts are matching and we have to write which parts are matching and which are not matching. Students, so by observing all the part, we can get a conclusion that A, E, H, J, K are same. These all are 1 by 6, are same 1 by 6. B, F, G are same. These all are 1 by 5. And C, D, I, L are same. These all are 4 by 25. So this was your question number 6. Let's take question number 7. In question number 7, we need to check that is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5 or not. Is equal to 4 by 9. It means it will not equal, then it will be big or greater. So we can do cross multiply. 5 multiply 5, 4 multiply 9. We get 25 and here we get 36. 36 is big and it is coming below 4 by 5. That's why 4 by 5 is greater. It means they both are not equal. In this way you can do all the parts. Here we have question number 8 students. Ela read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. It means fraction for Ela. Fraction for Ela equal to 25 pages she has read and there are total 100 pages, so we get 25 by 100 and these both are divisible by 25, we get 1 by 4. So the fraction for Ela is 1 by 4. Her friend Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same book. So fraction for Lalita equal to 2 by 5. Now we do cross multiply. Who read less book? One side Ela and one side Lalita. Ela having 1 by 4 and Lalita having 2 by 5. So we can do cross multiply by CM. 1 into 5 and 2 into 4, 5 and 8. 8 is big, so they are asking who read less, and because 1 by 4 is less, that's why we can say Ela read less. Ela read less. So this was your question number 8. Question number 9 of exercise 7.4. Rafiq exercised for 3 by 6 of an hour. Rafiq exercised for 3 by 6 of an hour. मीन्स रफ़ीक 1 घंटे के अंदर 3 by 6 फ्रैक्शन में एक्सरसाइज करता है. रोहित एक्सरसाइज फॉर 3 by 4 of an hour. रोहित exercised for 3 by 4 of an hour. Who exercised for a longer time? One side Rafiq and one side Rohit. Then Rafiq is for 3 by 6 and Rohit for 3 by 4. We can do cross multiply. 3 multiply 4, 3 multiply 6. We get 12, here we get 18. So this 3 will remain here and this 3 will remain here. This is main thing, means numerator will not leave the place. Numerator will remain the same place. Only this denominator will come to this side and this denominator will go to that side. Okay, whenever you are doing cross multiply, on that time you keep remember one thing, that denominator will change the place, not numerator. So 3 4 is 12 and 3 6 is 18. 18 is big, that's why 3 by 4 is big, and 3 by 4 is for Rohit. So we can say Rohit is exercised for longer time. Rohit is exercising for the longer time. So this was your question number 9. Hope you understand. Let's take student question number 10th. In question number 10th, we have a class A and class B. In class A, there are total 25 students, and from those students, 20 passed in the first class. So fraction for class A is 20 by 25, and these are divisible by the table of 5. We get 4 by 5. And in class B, there are 30 students and 24 passed in the first class. So fraction for class B, we get 24 by 30, and these two can be cut by the table of 6. So we get 4 by 5. Now we can see both the classes are getting same fraction, 4 by 5 and 4 by 5. So we can say both classes are getting an equal fraction of first class in the students. So this was your question number 10th. Thank you very much. Goodbye.